Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Unit 3 of Employability Skills course. Unit 3 covering about positivity and motivation. In this unit, we are going to discuss two stages. The first stage is called positivity and the second stage is a motivation. In this positivity, we are going to discuss about developing positive thinking, developing positive attitude, driving out negativity. These areas going to covered under positivity. And part 2, we are going to discuss about motivation. In this, we are going to discuss meaning and introduction of motivation, types of motivation, theories of motivation, which are Maslow's, Hertzberg, X and Y theories. Finally, enhancing motivation level. Guys, welcome to today's Unit 3, Positivity and Motivation. Now, we are going to discuss what is a positivity. The name itself means here, positivity in the sense of state of mind where thinking a situation in a prosperous and a positive mood is called positivity. So being a state is called a positivity. Here the areas of positivity are developing positive thinking, developing positive attitude, driving out negativity. We are going to see now the power of positive thinking. Guys, the positive thinking, the word seems to be small, it gives a big change in human life, particularly the student who are in academics and the employee who is in work life going to see a big change because of positive thinking. The power of positive thinking is a popular concept and someone it can feel a little formula, but the physical and mental benefit of positive thinking have been demonstrated by multiple science studies. A positive mindset can give you more confidence, improve your mind, even reduce the likelihood of developing conditions such as hypertension, depression and other stress related disorder. Guys, certainly the statement states that the positive thinking seems like a little formula, but it gives a lot of benefit to the physical and mental health. Particularly in the present digital world or computer science or information technology world, many people are suffering with this positive thinking. I said, as a student and as an employee, everybody need to have a positive thinking. It is a part and parcel of human life. Lack of positive thinking making many big problems and suffering a lot mentally and physically. It leads to the hypertension and also depression, stress related disorders. Because of lack of positive thinking, employees are particularly failing in targets reaching. Now, how develop the positive thinking? Here we have given some tips which are helping to an individual as a student, as an employee to develop positive thinking. Lateral state, we are going to discuss about positive attitude. Guys, the think leads to the attitude leads to the behavior. Now, we are going to see 10 positive thinking helping factors. The one is always use only positive words while thinking and while taking, like I can, am able, etc. The first itself helps to us always keep in mind I can do the task, I am able to perform this activity. Like you need to have positive feeling when you are take up any task. Particularly the student while studying, you need to have this attitude or positive mindset in every moment. The second situation, how the positive thinking is helping to improve your mindset. Allow into awareness only feelings of happiness, strength and success. Guys, here the feeling of happiness and strength and success is a must and should you need to have, keep in mind. Many multinational companies and business tycoons have this positive attitude when they are doing business, particularly future success and their internal strength and happiness towards doing the task. As a student, you need to have the passion towards your discipline. If you are the student of electronics and electrical engineering, or student of computer science engineering or mechanical engineering, you need to have the passion. You need to have a great inspiration to do the BTech program. Like you need to have the strength also. I have enough knowledge. I have to have information regarding a profile or subject related matter. Finally, the future success, keep in mind, I want to get success. This is a way you need to develop a positive thinking. As a student, as an employee also. The third point, try to disregard and ignore negative thoughts. It's very important. You need to ignore sometimes negative thoughts. I think so. How the competition is going to provide in future. Everybody is going to place yourself in corporate, whether as a employee, as a researcher, as a academician, you need to work with the corporate. So you have to have an ignoring of negative thoughts. This is very important, particularly in the present generation is lacking of positive thinking because of negative thoughts. The fourth point, which is a read at least one page of inspiring book every day. I think so. This habit is losing slowly. In previous days, every student used to spend some time during college times, particularly in library, or else at home also. Whenever the students are free, need to read some inspiring books like you call it as a there are different success stories of great people. You can read different things about inspiring stories, particularly Mahatma Gandhi and Abdul Kalam, and there are different inspiring books are there, how they lead their life and struggle and get forward in their life. So this type of inspiring book reading is very important task, particularly newspaper reading and slowly reading the books and inspiring stories of great freedom fighters, scientists and business tycoon. All these are helping to the student to get a positive thoughts. Then fifth one, watch movies that makes you feel happy. I think so. This is no need to give any special information to the student. Every student or boy or girl is fascinating to watch the movie. Even during this pandemic situation, we used to have to see the movie through online. I think Netflix, like all these things. Here You need to keep a positive thinking attitude through seeing movies also. Some movies are really very, I think, motivating to get a positive attitude or positive thinking. I think so. Every student need to have this type of habituation to improve the positive thinking. The sixth one, associate yourself with the people who think positivity. I think so. This is a part and parcel of social life. You know very well, when your friend is good, you are also getting good thoughts. When your friend is in bad friendship, automatically you are also going in the same relation. I think your friend always need to be in a positive attitude, like encouraging. When you are in trouble, they need to give some support. When you are in poor in academics, they need to give some support. Like you also retrospect, like when other person is in problem, you need to help. Like your companion and your friendship in a positive relation. So this is a sixth point is very important to make yourself, to develop yourself in a positive thinking mode. And seventh one, always sit and walk with your back straight. That means here your physical movement, your physical body stature, and your body, what you call language also will help you to improve your positive thinking. I think here, like exercise at the time of walking and sitting, you need to be straight. That means here it gives some stimulation to your mind to think in a positive mood. I think this is a part of physical stature. And eighth one, walk, swim, and engage in other physical activities. Certainly, nowadays people are lacking physical exercise, particularly techie guys, like IT employees and the guys working in white collar jobs. People are lacking of physical activity. Because of lacking of these physical activity, people are not maintaining balance of positive thoughts. So when you need to have positive thought, you need to keep social, physical and mental strength. In this concern, the eighth point saying about walk, swim and engage in other physical activity helps to improve or develop positive thinking. Guys, the next one is the ninth one. Think positive and expect only favorable results. I think so. Now every individual need to have forward thinking. During forward thinking, you need to have positive thinking and expect favorable results. Otherwise, you cannot reach to the goal. I think you are writing exams time to time, maybe unit exams, semester end exams, after mid exams. You have some positive attitude, a positive feeling towards future. So that means here, think positive and expect only favorable results. This is a very important instruction to improve positive thinking. And the last one, in conversation, use words that evoke feelings and mental images of strength, happiness and success. Certainly, always your talks, your conversation, your friendly relation, always you need to use the words like improve the feeling of mental image of strength and happiness and success. Certainly, your group should give an encouragement to reach the goal of future. Guys, here 10 areas have given for developing positive thinking. Always a student will pass in different states, like in a different situation. Sometimes you miss the area of thinking positive. Most of the time we are in environment where the people are getting different negative thoughts. But to improve the positive thinking, you have to habituate these areas which are helping you to improve positive thinking. The next, The benefits from positive thinking, very important. I think so. What is the benefit? People expect always what is the helping, what is the benefit from out of this positive thinking. Certainly, here we can find some of the areas from positive thinking, the benefit. I think here helps achieving goals and attaining success. Okay, here being a technocrat, being a technical engineering student, you need to have to help and achieving goals and attaining success, you need to have positive thinking. I think so. I think particularly Abdul Kalam, many times he might fail during a satellite launching, but finally his goal is in mind to reach the task or success. Here also every student need to have positive attitude and positive thinking to attain the goals. The next one, success achieved faster and more easily. When you have the discipline, when you have the positive thinking, achieving success is not a bigger task. Very fast you are going to get the success and easy way. I think there is no substitution for discipline or hard work. Through discipline and hard work and positive thinking only success can be reached. So that means here positive thinking helping to get the success easily. Then finally more happiness. I think so nowadays people are striving to get money, to get job, to get different positions, different appreciations, different belongings. But finally the man striving to get happiness beyond or above all these physical expectations. More happiness is the result of positive thinking. I think so many people who are in society and particularly business community and information technology employees, corporate world, everybody is striving to get happiness. It is an ultimate thinking. But how to get this happiness? This positive thinking helps to get happiness. More energy, very important. I think more than physical strength, mental strength sometimes lead to you to get success. I think more energy in the sense here, mental strength is required when you have positive thinking vibrations. Greater inner power and strength. I think you know very well why people are fascinating Indian technocrats. Why the people, our entire world is requesting Indian technocrat. Why? Because they have good inner power and strength, like intellectual and also attitude. The ability to inspire and motivate yourself and others. This is very important, guys. Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai. There are many people who are in CEO level and managing director level, particularly to the multinational companies like Microsoft and Google. Why? They are giving priority to Indians. Do you think are they more intellectual than other country people? No. They are very good in attitude. They are very good in positive thinking. They are very good as a human being. They inspire the people, they motivate the co-employees, and finally reaching the goal. It is only possible through the Indian guys, particularly Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, like many people are in the multinational companies who are pioneering from India as CEOs because of their ability to inspire the people, their ability to motivate others and company is very important. The ability to surmount any difficulty, that is very important. Nowadays, when situations are favor, reaching the target is not a big task. When situation is not up to the mark, when situation is in trouble, you need to surpass, you need to reach I need to face any difficulty. But that ability is only possible through positive thinking. Guys, you don't know, money, prestige, and power may not help in all situations. Sometimes your mental attitude or mental stability, positive thinking will help you to reach the goal during difficult times. Life smiles at you, certainly. When you are in positive mood, when you are positive thinking state, it seems like you are smiling. That means your face is an index of the mind. When your mental health is a strong, when your mental attitude is in a strength, automatically it life smiles at you. That means here you are welcoming good life. Then people respect you, very important. Sometimes when you see, like particularly in what did you say, spiritual, when you are going to some temple, churches and masjid, there the people are called priests, and the people who are blessing us, they seems like a very pleasant. Why? Because their positive thinking, it gives vibration to us to give the respect to them. That means here their positive thinking always helping. Guys, in this class we have gone through one area of positive thinking, and how the positive thinking improves, and how the positive thinking helps to get a benefit. These 2 points we have been discussed today: positive thinking improvement or development, and finally the benefits from positive thinking. Next class we are going to see a positive attitude and benefits from the positive attitude, how to overcome the negative attitude. The guys, see you next class.